Hey there, food lovers! We got a treat ready just in time for spring. We created the most unique hummingbird cake ever. Eager to embark on the journey of crafting this extraordinary masterpiece? Grab those aprons and let's get baking. Inviting our feathered friends, let's collect the ingredients. Every great baking adventure begins with gathering the finest ingredients. It's like setting the stage for a grand performance, where each element plays a crucial role in the final masterpiece. For our hummingbird cake extravaganza, we'll need a bevy of deliciousness. This cake is a symphony of flavors, and each ingredient adds its own unique note to the composition. Don't worry, most of these ingredients are probably already in your pantry. It's always a delight to discover that you have everything you need right at your fingertips. For our cake batter, we'll need flour, which is the foundation of our cake. Flour gives structure and body to our creation, making it light and fluffy. Sugar, both granulated and brown, for that extra caramelized warmth, not only sweetens the cake but also adds moisture and tenderness. Baking soda, which helps the cake rise to perfection, and salt, which enhances all the other flavors. Oil, vegetable or canola, will do to keep our cake moist and rich. And eggs, which bind everything together and add richness. Vanilla extract, the secret weapon for flavor. It adds a depth of flavor that makes every bite irresistible. Crushed pineapples, drained of course, which adds a tropical sweetness and keeps the cake moist. Finally, the stars of the show, ripe bananas and chopped pecans. The bananas add natural sweetness and moisture, while the pecans give a delightful crunch and nutty flavor. Remember, quality ingredients are the key to a truly exceptional cake. When you start with the best, you end with the best. So gather your ingredients and let's get ready to bake a cake that's as delightful as a hummingbird's song. It's time to create our little haven. Let's whip up something amazing. Welcome to our warm and inviting kitchen, where we're about to embark on an exciting baking adventure that's full of delightful surprises. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors and textures of our fresh ingredients. Each one plays a crucial role in creating our delicious masterpiece. It's time to build our hummingbird nest, also known as the cake batter. This is where the magic begins, as we combine these simple ingredients to create something truly special. This is where the real fun begins, so put on your game face and let's get mixing. Donning an apron is like putting on a superhero cape. It's a signal that we're ready to create something amazing. First, we'll combine our dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking soda, and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. These foundational elements will give our cake its structure and sweetness. Give it a good whisk to make sure everything is well combined. This step is crucial to ensure that our cake bakes evenly and has a consistent texture throughout. Whisk together the oil, eggs, and vanilla extract in a separate bowl until the mixture is light and frothy. The oil adds moisture, the eggs provide richness, and the vanilla infuses a warm, aromatic flavor. Add the mashed bananas to the wet ingredients and mix well. Bananas not only add natural sweetness but also contribute to the moist and tender crumb of our cake. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. This step requires patience and precision, as it ensures that our batter is smooth and lump-free. Be careful not to overmix. Overmixing can lead to a dense and tough cake, so we want to mix just until everything is incorporated. Finally, gently fold in the crushed pineapple and chopped pecans. These add-ins bring a delightful burst of flavor and texture, making each bite a tropical treat. The pineapple adds a juicy sweetness, while the pecans provide a satisfying crunch. Pour the batter into your prepared cake pan, spreading it evenly. This ensures that our cake bakes uniformly with a beautiful golden crust. Place the pan in the oven and let it bake to perfection. The aroma that fills your kitchen will be irresistible, a sure sign that something wonderful is on its way. Set your timer and let the oven work its magic. While we wait, it's the perfect time to clean up and prepare for the next steps. A tidy workspace makes for a more enjoyable baking experience. Plus, it gives us a head start on the final touches once our cake is out of the oven. As the cake bakes, you can peek through the oven door to watch it rise and turn golden brown. It's a mesmerizing sight, knowing that soon we'll be enjoying a slice of homemade goodness. Once the cake is done, carefully remove it from the oven and let it cool on a rack. This step is crucial to ensure that the cake sets properly and is ready for the final touches. And there you have it. A beautifully baked cake, ready to be sliced and enjoyed. Each bite is a testament to the love and care you put into baking it. It's time to sprinkle in some magic. Let's get creative with some dazzling twists. Now that our basic hummingbird cake batter is ready, it's time to inject some personality and pizzazz. This is where you can let your creative juices flow and make this cake truly your own. Feeling adventurous? Try adding a pinch of ground cinnamon or nutmeg to the batter for a warm, comforting flavor. Want to add a touch of tropical paradise? Fold in some finely chopped crystallized ginger or a handful of dried mango pieces. For a citrusy twist, add the zest of an orange or lime. The possibilities are endless. Get ready for the frosting frenzy. It's the epic grand finale. No hummingbird cake is complete without a generous slathering of luscious frosting. And for our unique creation, we need a frosting that's just as special as the cake itself. For a classic hummingbird cake frosting, we'll be using cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Beat the cream cheese and butter together until smooth and creamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar, beating until light and fluffy. Stir in the vanilla extract. To make our frosting extra special, try adding a tablespoon or two of your favorite liqueur, like rum or bourbon. Get ready for a visual delight with a feast for the eyes. Remember, presentation is everything. We've baked our cake, whipped up a dreamy frosting, and now it's time to assemble our masterpiece. Remember though, presentation is everything. A beautifully decorated cake is a feast for both the eyes and the stomach. First, let the cake cool completely before frosting. Once cooled, frost the cake evenly, then get creative with your decorations. Use chopped pecans, pineapple slices, and even edible flowers to create a stunning visual display. Remember, there are no rules in cake decorating, so let your imagination run wild. Buckle up, bakers, it's hummingbird time. Prepare to embark on a delightful journey that will take your baking skills to new heights. Today, we're about to embark on a culinary adventure to create the most unique and scrumptious hummingbird cake the world has ever seen. This isn't just any cake, it's a symphony of flavors that will leave everyone asking for more. Get ready for a whirlwind of flavors and textures that will have your taste buds singing with delight. Imagine the sweetness of ripe bananas, the crunch of toasted pecans, and the tropical burst of pineapple chunks all coming together in perfect harmony. This recipe is not for the faint of heart, but for those who dare to be different and embrace the joy of baking. It's a challenge that will test your skills and creativity, but the reward is a cake that's as beautiful as it is delicious. So put on your aprons, preheat your ovens, and let's get this baking party started. Make sure you have all your ingredients ready and your workspace organized. A well-prepared baker is a successful baker. Remember, baking is all about having fun and letting your creativity soar. Whether you're baking alone or with friends and family, enjoy the process and make it a memorable experience. Don't be afraid to experiment and add your personal touch to this already amazing recipe. Try different toppings, mix in some of your favorite ingredients, and make this cake truly your own. Now let's gather our ingredients and get ready to create some magic in the kitchen. From the pantry to the counter, make sure you have everything you need: flour, sugar, eggs, bananas, pecans, pineapple, and all the essentials. With a determined spirit and a love for baking, we're ready to make something truly special. Let's dive in and make this hummingbird cake a masterpiece. Get ready to celebrate because you've done it! Always keep this in mind. Sharing is caring, so let's spread that hummingbird joy everywhere. Let's make the world a brighter place together. You've baked the most unique and delicious hummingbird cake ever. Now it's time to share your creation with the world and bask in the glow of compliments. Slice up your cake, brew a pot of tea or coffee, and invite your friends and family over for a taste of hummingbird heaven. Trust us, they'll be singing your praises for weeks to come. And don't forget to capture the moment and share your baking triumph on social media and tag us. You can even share in the comments below. Get ready for more delicious baking adventures. Stay tuned for what's coming next. We hope you had as much fun creating this unique hummingbird cake as we did. Remember, baking is all about experimenting, having fun, and spreading joy through delicious creations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more baking inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. We are always whipping up something new and exciting in the kitchen, and we can't wait to share it all with you. Thank you for watching and joining us on this exciting baking adventure. Until next time, happy baking!